So you received your order. What's next? Go ahead and open the order which you'd like to start. Click on the delivery link that was sent to you. Once you open the link, you'll see all of the content within the folder. In order to download, click the download button at the top right. Close the sign up pop-up and your orders should start downloading. Now that everything is downloaded, how do we actually use it? To add the GIFs to your site, simply click the Insert Image button and upload the GIF we sent. As you can see, the GIF has been successfully uploaded to our product page. How to use the ad copy, video, and thumbnail? Simply paste the ad copy in the primary text section. Don't forget to change the URL to your website. For the video, click Add Media, Add Video, then choose the video, and click Upload. Once the video is uploaded, click Edit Video, Thumbnail, Manual, and select your thumbnail. Now that our thumbnail is now uploaded, simply add a headline, and you can finally publish your ad. If you have any other questions, check out our FAQ page or email us at team@bandsofads.com.